75 million jobs displaced by AI. Want to do this within 6 months. What about data scientists? What skills and technologies are going to be changing in the very near future? Today we're diving into a topic that's all about the future of work. These are the skills that are going to be required in the modern and the future workforce related to the use of AI. So even if you're starting out already established in a career, it's very critical that you get familiar with what skills and technologies are going to be changing in the very near future. Understanding these skills is going to be crucial to your success. Let's get started with looking at some of the most impactful data related to AI and the workforce. According to the World Economic Forum, it is expected that AI will create 133 million new jobs by 2025. But there will also be 75 million jobs displaced by AI. So this highlights the shift of needing AI skill to help develop your career. A McKinsey report suggests that by 2030, at least 70% of companies will adopt at least one type of AI technology. This will create a demand for skilled professionals who can develop, implement, and manage these technologies that are put into. Gartner predicts that AI augmentation will create 2.9 trillion in business value and recover 6.2 billion hours of worker productivity by the end of 2024. These data points highlight how significant AI will change your career and future career development. It's going to be critical that you update your skill to maintain your relevancy within the workforce. Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Downs, a professor with extensive knowledge in technology in education. It's important to understand the value of upskilling your skills so that your career choices are relevant and appropriate towards the changes coming our way. It's important to be proactive in your learning of AI and its vocabulary and its planned implementation into the workforce. You're going to learn more about AI skills that are in demand and understand how transformative technology will be in the next few years, particularly with AI. In regards to the newly created 133 million jobs, and then the jobs that are going to be placed by those jobs, it's important to take a look at this graphic. You can see that the major jobs that are growing are in the area of data analysis, AI and machine, and big data specialist. All areas that are going to require AI knowledge and your ability to understand the concepts of AI, as well as an analytical ability and computer science. Additionally, you'll see jobs related to process automation, digital transformation, and information security. On the side of the displacement of jobs, you see jobs like data entry clerks, where that data entry can now be done automatically with different processes utilizing AI and machine learning. Administrative and executive secretaries, where some of the skills related to these roles can be automated utilizing technology. Accountants and auditors, assembly and factory workers. What all of these jobs have in common is that they require processes or used to require tasks that were entered manually. Now, many of these tasks utilizing AI and machine learning can be done automatically with the use of technology. The value of AI comes in several different areas, and it's going to continue to grow over the next 5 to 6 years. One of the first areas is support for decision-making and augmentation. When a decision needs to be made, something can automate that decision based on data, based on other performance that can help you make decisions, support your workday, support you on tasks, or support other employees at making decisions on the job. That's where the decisions are automatically decided based on machine learning and performance data or metrics already collected. And smart products. These are products that are going to integrate some of the same features I've just talked about. They're going to utilize AI, but they're going to be powerful, new smart products. They're going to enhance the workplace. These types of products are going to be a huge part of our industries. The value of these tools in a variety of different industries is going to grow tremendously over the next 5 to 6 years. There's also going to continue to be a tremendous investment into these types of products going into the marketplace to help support businesses and provide new types of products to consumers. What this indicates is that AI is going to help transform industry as we know it. It's going to provide new opportunities, and you need to be prepared what those opportunities are going to bring. How AI is going to impact the the industry in terms of employee time, it's important to take a look at what areas of business are already being impacted. If you take a look at this graphic, the larger squares represent areas that have a huge amount of already in place AI tools that are going to continue to take over. These are in areas such as customer service, next product to buy, where the next product is prompted to you, predictive analytics to help you make a choice and support sales, pricing and promotion, which is predicated on the use of AI to help change pricing, customer acquisition, managing inventory and parts, and also task automation and also business analytics. These are obviously areas that used to rely on human employee to be able to work within these areas and do this type of work. AI is going to transition these types of roles, automated process, and it will be more important to understand how AI is than to think of the old ways in which AI was not being. Now you need to be proactive and think about how AI is going to be used in these types of business settings. AI is going to tremendously upset the industry in terms of the function of these roles. So why does AI matter? AI is revolutionizing industries by automating tasks, improving decision-making, and enhancing customer experiences. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial to be able to understand its foundational concepts and its application. Now let's take the time to develop a strategic vision for AI in your career development. Let's take a look at what are the in-demand skills related to AI. How can I utilize AI to leverage problem solving and decision making and automating tasks in my industry? How can I better understand these concepts? What learning resources and certifications will help me better understand how to apply these concepts in my industry and help develop my expertise within the content? First of all, why is AI important? AI automates repetitive learning and discovery through data. Instead of automating manual tasks, AI performs frequent, high-volume, computerized tasks, and it does it reliably. Now let's take a look at some of the most in-demand AI skills in the coming year. One thing that I would recommend before you start to look at some of the in-demand skills is definitely check out some of the industry drivers related to AI and the technologies that are changing industry. We've talked a lot about the changes of employment structures, tasks that can be automated for specific industries and products, but I would also recommend visiting websites like NVIDIA's that can help provide more insight into how AI is being used across a wide range of industries, and see if these industries intersect with your own work or help you better understand how AI is going to transform work and career development, as your choices of what you choose to focus on are going to impact your future. The first skill area to consider are programming related to AI. These programming skills are mainly going to be in the areas of Java, Python, C++, and your ability to utilize these languages to work with AI are going to be tremendously valuable. Each will have its own level of specifications for how it's being used within AI workflows. The next major area is data science and data analysis. The use of AI is going to incredibly help data analysts utilize data more effectively and streamline outcomes for the use of data for decision making. All businesses will be utilizing AI to help track their performance. Libraries and frameworks. This is particularly connected to programming, and there are a wide range of libraries and frameworks within programming languages that are going to be designed to work with AI. So having a knowledge of these frameworks is going to be helpful for you to be able to get started utilizing AI with programming languages. Some of the use is going to be scientific computing and handling data from large data sets. Machine and deep learning are also going to be a huge skill set. Connected with computer science, machine learning, and deep learning are going to utilize AI to transform processes, automate tasks, and delve into deep data sets to help businesses make decisions and drive automation. Natural language processing and computer vision. Natural language processing is all about utilizing AI to understand how the human language works, to help understand the process of the human language, analyze human language, and make predictive outcomes. Mathematics and statistics. In order to program machines that learn from experience, we need to program them so they can reason and understand the experience. Knowledge in mathematics and statistics helps you understand how the value of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data can help improve processes utilizing AI. It's all about understanding data better. And finally, soft skills. As AI continues to move tremendously quickly, so doesn't the value for soft skills. They are the skills like communication, problem solving, teamwork, skills that don't necessarily require technology, but are important because they connect humans, their ability to collaborate with each other and work together in a productive and successful way. Let's quickly review our AI skills and take a look at some of the first steps we can take. First, start with the basics, like a video like this, maybe potentially take a course. Start looking at the practical applications of AI across industries, particularly industries that you may be interested in. How do you put these skills on your resume? Be sure that on your resume, under the skills area, you particularly are specific around what AI skills you have so that they can stand out to potential employers. And be sure they are included under the skills, particularly the technical skills area of your resume. And very importantly, if you understand programming languages connected to AI or programming languages in general, having those under the skills area is tremendously helpful as well, and helps you get noticed by different software employers use to help track resumes and submitted applications. Do you need coding skills to work with AI? If you're going to be developing with AI, yes, coding skills are tremendously important. You should consider learning Python, Java, or C++ and learn how these languages can be incorporated with the use of AI and different platforms, and begin to test out doing some projects. But also understand that if you are not a programmer, that AI is going to be a essential part of your work in the future, and that you need to understand some of the basic skills, maybe understanding natural language processing better, understanding how automation works, and understanding definitely prompts utilizing AI so that you can understand how it's going to work within your industry, and also understanding how AI works with specific types of automation. What is the significance of Python in the use of AI? A lot of people have this question. Python's simplicity and readability has made it a tremendous benefit to those looking to develop with AI. It has a wide range of libraries that can be utilized with Python to help advance learning. And since it is commonly being used right now, it's advancing many projects related to AI. What about data scientists? If you're interested in data science, be sure that you are utilizing not only Python and learning how to incorporate that into your use of data science, but also the R programming language, and also understand some of the larger technologies connected to data analytics, such as Apache, Hadoop, and also be sure that you can express your understanding of AI with data effectively to others in your industry. So to review, let's go over some of the core skills AI is bringing to the table. We're looking at coding proficiency, being able to explain methods and understandings of how AI's impact in industry, understanding performance metrics and how AI can impact performance metrics, understanding how to evaluate multiple models that utilize AI, hyperparameter tuning, AI deployment and projects within industries related to deploying AI practices, cloud computer, and serverless computing. Other knowledge areas to look into and develop as you consider working with AI. For more resources on AI skill development and career development, visit our website, digitalfutureseducation.com. You'll find courses, articles, resources, and tools to help you get started. Based on market research and trends, key AI skills include machine learning, data analysis, programming languages like Python, and understanding AI ethics. You want to align these skills with your career goals to help match up the skills you may need to help develop your career. You're going to want to see where AI is making the biggest impact across different industries so that you can apply the skills you need to get into that industry. At Digital Futures Education, we're committed to help you navigate the ever-evolving job market. Visit our website for comprehensive guides, information, and resources to help support you all along the way. Now, let's develop a SMART goal to take the next step with our AI learning. This helps us measure a specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based goal related to AI in our career. You could look at learning Python for AI application. That's a specific part of the goal. The measurable part of this goal would be to build 3 AI-focused Python projects after taking a course. To make this achievable, you want to apply 5 hours of study per week. To make it relevant, you do already understand Python is incredibly useful for the use of AI projects and applications. And to set a time-bound feature of this goal, you want to do this within 6 months. That is a SMART goal specifically designed for you to apply AI into your career. And you can get more specific and target different areas and industries and also different skill set. But that's a model that you can use to help you begin to develop goals that are going to be actionable towards taking the next step. AI knowledge can open up pathways to a wide variety of careers, such as AI specialist, data scientist, machine learning engineer, AI ethicist. Continued learning in this area can lead to roles that are not only in high demand, but also offer the potential for high impact in specific industries. Here are 3 key questions to help you to strategically reflect on potential career pathways with AI. What are my current skill levels with AI, and what gap areas do I need to fill? So you need to evaluate your current skills and think about what you need to learn, not only for your current role, but the role that you want to get. Also, what are some areas of improvement? Take advantage of online courses, boot camps, and certifications to help you figure out what's next. The next question is, how can AI skills enhance my current role or help me transition to a new role? Look for ways to apply AI in your current job role or review potential job roles that could utilize the expertise you're looking to get. Be sure to network with professionals in the field, consult with experts, and find a mentor to help you transition to the next step of your knowledge. What resources and support do I need? Identify the learning resources, certifications, mentors, and communities that can help support you take the next step. Join forums and attend workshops, and seek feedback from those in the industry. Let's talk about how to get started. Get started with some foundational courses in AI and machine learning, something to help build your vocabulary and understanding of how AI and machine learning works and how you can apply it to industry. As you progress, work on real-world projects with your new skills and help build your portfolio. At this stage of your career development, you're at the investigation and goal-setting stage. You want to take a well-rounded look at the direction you think you want to go with these new types of choices. And think about how you're going to align these choices and your goals with the career pathway you're going to choose. We can help you do that at Digital Futures Education. Visit digitalfutureseducation.com for a curated list of AI resources to help you take the next step. AI is transforming the workforce, and changes are coming quickly. Be sure to upskill, develop new skills and frameworks of knowledge around understanding AI and how it's going to apply not only to your industry, but the other industries around it, so that you can understand the full impact. Stay curious and stay committed to future learning in this area. Continue to work to develop your skills, refine them, and be sure to lean on resources like digitalfutureseducation.com for the most up-to-date resources and information related to career development, particularly with AI. Thanks for watching.